In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set up drip campaigns based on CRM activity. Whether you're trying to increase conversions or keep your leads engaged, setting up automated campaigns based on CRM activity is key. Stick around to learn how to automate your marketing with ease. First, let's talk about why drip campaigns based on CRM activity work so well. By tracking your leads' behavior and interaction with your business, you can tailor content that's relevant to where they are in your funnel. This personal touch builds trust and drives conversions without the need for constant manual follow-ups. To set up these campaigns, the first step is to connect your CRM with the email marketing platform you'll be using. The software we'll be using makes this integration seamless. If you're following along, don't forget to check the exclusive free trial link in the description to try it out for yourself. Next, you'll need to set up your CRM to track key activities. Think actions like form submissions, email opens, link clicks, or any other interaction that shows engagement with your business. Once these are tracked, you can segment your audience based on their behavior. This is where the magic happens, sending the right message to the right person at the right time. Once your tracking is set up, move on to creating your drip campaign. Most software will allow you to easily create email sequences. Start with an introduction email. This is the moment to welcome them and share your value proposition. From there, you'll want to nurture them based on their CRM activity. For example, if a lead opened your email but didn't click through, you could send them a follow-up with a different angle or offer. If they clicked through but didn't convert, you could send them a series of educational content to guide them towards a purchase. The key here is automation. Your software will send these emails on your behalf, but you must make sure your content is timely and relevant based on the actions the lead has already taken in your CRM. Remember to set up triggers. These are the rules that will activate your drip campaigns. You can set up triggers for things like page visits, specific actions like downloading a guide, or inactivity, which could prompt a reminder email. All of this ensures you're staying in touch without overwhelming your leads. Finally, you'll want to monitor the performance of your drip campaigns. Check which emails are getting the most engagement, which ones are driving conversions, and where people are dropping off. This data will help you fine-tune your campaign over time. Now let's talk about the key takeaway. Setting up drip campaigns based on CRM activity is a game changer for automating your marketing. By tailoring your message to your leads' behavior, you can increase engagement and conversions without lifting a finger. Focus on automation and personalization. Both are key to success. To recap, connect your CRM with your software, track your leads' activity, segment them based on behavior, set up your email sequences, and monitor performance. And don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial in the description below if you want to follow along with this software. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to take advantage of that free trial. See you in the next video.